There you go. So what were your sayings? You're telling a story. What kind of story? Yeah.
So one time when mom was like in the Philippines and I think her dad gave her like this milk, and this milk, it had like a bunch of ants in it, like those big ants. And
that's your story?
Yeah.
It's not very funny. I will tell the story. I'll tell the story. This is my version. That's your version. This is my version. Alright, when I was a kid, you know, very little.
Very kiddie.
Very kiddie, yeah. I remember it was a long time ago. We were sitting on the stairs, you know, the stairs, 1, 2. And I was wearing this very long, t-shirt, like a large t-shirt, like as a dress.
Like this?
Yeah, I'm abandoned. I don't have any clothing. So anyway, so I was wearing this long, large dress, large t-shirt as a dress. And my grandpa, it was my grandpa, it's not my dad, it was my grandpa. My grandpa said, I said, Lolo is grandpa, you know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
I said, Lolo, I'm very hungry. And he said, oh, okay, you sit down there, don't go anywhere, and I'm gonna make you something. And then he came back, he's got this milk, you know, in the Philippines. we have this garapon, you know, when we put the garapon and we put all this asukal, it's the sugars. You put the sugars in the garapon, and some peoples do not really tighten the takip. It's the lid to the garapon. So now all the it's not that big. It's supposed to be just like a medium size black ants. Yes, black ants, because the red one will bite you. The black ants, I think they will, but they kinda, you know, urong sulong, they hesitant. They're very shy. So they get in the sugars, you know. So my grandpa made me the milk out of the condensed, and then he put the sugar from the garapon with loosened lid. So when I looked at it, and I was like, Grandpa, this Lolo, this is full of ants. And he's like, it's okay. You drink it. When you grow up, you become a very good singers.
I thought you said very beautiful.
Sing it!